personalized study plan? What is that? Is it really required? Yes, I am telling it is required because everyone have different situation, different work balance and different lifestyle. In this situation, when you are trying to crack the exam, then definitely you require some study plan and some strategy which is actually perfectly suited for your life. It is for your life balance, because it is not mandatory what works for me it will works for you also, what works for another person it will work for you also. No, right? Because everyone have different capabilities and everyone have different idea. So that's why today I'm going to arrange this session where you can talk with me. Yes, not in chat. You can talk with me directly, and definitely you can join this live session free of cost, where you can share your personal problem, means whatever your personal situation. In that situation, how you can crack UGC NET and JRF, and how you can fulfill your dream with this work balance. So why you are waiting? Just click on the link. It will be on Unacademy platform, and my name is Priyanka Chatterjee. I am giving the link on the description below. Just you have to unlock your free plan using my referral code PriyankaCLive, and after that you can start this special series and special class that is only on Unacademy platform. First time you are getting your personalized study plan. Join today 7 p.m. Don't miss the session.